I've always wanted to visit Thailand, the land of smiles, and explore its rich culture, history, and cuisines. So, when I got the opportunity to travel there, I was super excited and I couldn't wait to see what this amazing country has to offer. I grabbed my luggage and
Here we
exited
are in
to the
Caribbean.
airport. I was greeted by a warm and humid air and a bright and sunny sky. We took a taxi to our hotel.
Finally reached to our hotel. Our hotel is Star Sukhumvit. This the reception. My friend is there coming up with the bags. That's how their taxis are Bolt. It's Bolt and Grab looks like. So we're getting in there. I'm going to take you a room tour of our room. Yes, stick around. Let's check in first. That floor. So guys, we are getting to our room. So let's go and get a room tour. So guys, this is our room. I want to take you our room tour. We have booked a simple room through booking.com because we are only staying here only for a night, right?
Yes.
And then we proceed to Phuket. So I want to start over here. We have, of course, glasses, cups for tea, kettle. We have a very simple fridge. It has nothing. But I hope that there's some water over here. Before we proceed to the bed, there's the bathroom, which is very clean. And they provide some soaps, shampoo, and the conditioner. There's this part for brushing your teeth. There's loo, and it's very clean. Yeah, the services are very clean. There's tissue, there's towel. There's simple bathroom. You can show them. These cabinets. It's just simple because tomorrow we are flying to Phuket, so we do not want to book a very big room. There is a simple TV. There is a couch to relax, and of course our bed. I love it, Star Sukhumvit. Yeah, I love the bed. I love this headboard. It's inbuilt. Very nice. Yeah, and the clean bed. If you know me, you know that I really love white beddings. Oh wow, look at this serviette holder. It's very cute and elegant. This, of course, dustbin. I know my friend is working tonight. This is the perfect place for her. And remember to work. And there's a mirror, or maybe if you want to do your makeup like me, there's a dryer, so you have to connect it over here. Yeah, there are cabinets. You've already not put our clothes, but I don't think there's need, but it's very spacious enough. Yeah, this is the outside. Let me take you to the balcony. Yeah. So this is the simple balcony for our room, and this air conditioner over here. So if you want to do some cleaning with water, yeah, that's simple room tour of our hotel on the highway of Bangkok. Guys, we are in Bangkok. Yeah, that is a simple room kindly guys, make sure you tune in, make sure you subscribe, make sure you stick around and explore Bangkok with me. Let's meet tomorrow.